In order to make it work, our main thing is trying to really divide it so that I really do the creative side and Matt really does the business development side, and we try and really respect the other person's point of view. I am married to my business partner, which I'm sure some people would think would be an unlikely recipe for success, but actually for us it works really well. And I think the main thing was I'd started building Sociala and I'd done lots of events and talks and I'd built this online following, and I met Matt, who's my now husband, and we realised that our skills together could take it so much further, because I love the creative side of things. I love the food, I love the social media, I love the engagement, I love the communication, I love building a brand. He loves finance and spreadsheets and all things practical and organised, and he loves managing people. And so together we realised we could take this and we could drive Sociala so much further, which is what we did by opening up deli cafes in London, by launching a line of products across supermarkets, places like Starbucks, Waitrose, Sainsbury's. But I think in order to make it work, our main thing is trying to really divide it so that I really do the creative side and Matt really does the business development side, and we try and really respect the other person's point of view. On that, any big decisions we have to both agree on, but otherwise we try and keep it quite separate, and I think that is how we make it work. I think otherwise we'd probably murder each other.